While many in need of an organ transplant are kept waiting endlessly, some lose their lives as the wait never ends. Now a bishop in Kerala hopes to start off a chain of living donors. Hoping to set an example, he has donated his kidney. The recipient, a factory worker, incidentally is Hindu. He can now stop the dialysis he's been undergoing for a year now.
30-year-old Suraj now has hope. A factory worker and his family's only earning member, he has been undergoing dialysis for over a year now after his kidneys failed. But now a donor has come forward to help.
കുറച്ച് ദിവസങ്ങൾക്ക് മുമ്പാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് യൂറിൻ ഇൻഫെക്ഷൻ വരികയാണ് ഉണ്ടായത്. അപ്പോൾ അത് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിൽ പോവുകയും ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തപ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്കിങ്ങനെ കിഡ്നി കംപ്ലൈൻ്റ് ആണെന്ന് അറിയപ്പെട്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ അടുത്തായിട്ട് നമുക്കതൊരു ബിഷപ്പാണ് നമുക്കിത് തരുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മൾ പുറത്താണ് അറിഞ്ഞത്. ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ കാരുണ്യം തന്നെയാണ് പറയാനുള്ളത്. കാരണം ഇങ്ങനൊരു ഇത് ഫാദർ നമുക്ക് തരാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു കടാക്ഷം, അത് ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ കടാക്ഷം തന്നെയാണ് വിചാരിക്കുന്നത്.
The donor, Bishop Jacob Murikan, who's in his 40s, the first ever serving bishop to volunteer to donate an organ. For his church, it's a year of mercy, and for him, an opportunity to back his sermons with action. And that the recipient was a Hindu was never an issue, he says. The surgery is scheduled on the 1st of June.
Well, this is the spirit of the church. Pope Francis always do this type of activities. This endeavor will be a good example and also a model and a strong faith to the people.
The man behind these efforts, Father Chirumal, the first priest from India to have donated his kidney years ago, before he started the Kidney Federation of India.
Acts of kindness that must inspire, especially in a country where it's often myths and fears that act as impediments to many lives. With Stringers Raghuraj and camera person Priyan, Sneha Koshi for Indie TV.